Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your TikTok version in settings and make sure your device OS meets the app's minimum requirement because incompatible systems block updates. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi or good cellular signal and free up about 100 MB of storage to avoid interruptions. Next, open the App Store or Google Play, search TikTok, and tap Update. This ensures you get the official release and maintain your account and settings. If the store shows open instead of update, you have additional steps. Toggle auto updates in store settings, force stop and restart the store app, then check for updates again because caches sometimes hide new versions. If you're on Android and need a newer build, consider the Play Store beta channel. On iOS, use test flight only when you know what that means. Make sure TikTok has required permissions and background data enabled so the update can complete and new features run properly once installed. After installation, open TikTok, confirm the new version in settings, and test main flows. Play videos, record a clip, upload a draft, and check notifications because functional checks reveal permission or feature issues. If something breaks, first export or save any drafts externally, then uninstall and reinstall the app to clear corrupted files. If reinstall doesn't help, restart your device and retry. One key troubleshooting tip: always back up drafts before uninstalling, since
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.